Hello and good morning. Thanks for tuning into Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields and you're watching the early trades. This is our market open report. Today the S&P ASX 200 is up, gaining 0.86%. The top performing stocks in this index include Pointsbet, which is up 8%, and Liontown Resources up as well at 5.47%. Over the past week, the index has gained 0.30%, but is still down 3.73% for the year-to-date period. And looking at some stocks making a buzz today, starting with the IVF health leader Veritas Health, it was announced that it has not received any formal response from CapVest. Further, the independent expert Deloitte Corporate Finance has provided an update and an opinion concluding that the CapVest scheme is not in the best interest of Veritas shareholders, considering the revised BGH offer received on May 24. And responding to the news, Veritas stocks in the opening session of the ASX were trading at $8.06, down 1.10%. Next, looking at a mining player, Newcrest Mining, which has identified gold copper targets and high priority soil. The IGO Peterson Farm-In project detected 7 copper and gold anomalies, 3 air core anomalies and 4 soil anomalies. The announcement was part of Antipa Minerals' update on the Patterson Farm-In project and the Wilkie Farm-In project as well. These exploration programs where IGO and Newcrest are fully funding ongoing exploration activities. Newcrest shares in the opening session of the ASX were trading at $24.80, up by 0.65%. Next up, the leading battery materials and tech company Novonix today announced that Trevor St. Baker has retired from the board of the company. The news is effective immediately, and St. Baker has shared that his excessive company board representations on behalf of the St. Baker Energy Innovation Fund. This relates to several of the companies in which the fund has invested, including Novonix. St. Baker will also be devoting more time to the establishment of a second energy innovation fund. And responding to the update, Novonix stocks in the opening session of the ASX were trading at $3.73, down by 0.27%. Next in the news, the multi-brand food player Forbidden Foods has launched a long-life shelf brand of functional plant-based meats targeting consumers with alternative and non-meat-based diets. All products in the Sensory Mill plant-based meats range are gluten-free, soy-free and GMO-free. And the plant-based food industry is projected to be 100 times larger by 2050, generating global sales of $1.4 trillion. The market was approximately $5.3 billion in 2021 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 15.3% between 2021 and 2028. Forbidden Foods stocks closed at 0.11 cents yesterday. And then finally, a look at Commonwealth Bank, who has announced an issue of 30.5 billion yen worth of subordinated notes pursuant to the CBA's $70 billion Euro medium-term note program. These subordinated notes potentially will exchange into fully paid ordinary shares of CBA if a non-viability trigger event occurs. And in the opening session, CBA shares on the ASX were trading at 106.47, up by 0.99%. And that is a wrap on the early trades. Tune in for more only on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.